Welcome to Module 8, Advanced World Building. In this lesson, we're going beyond the basics of creating a simple ZEPETO world. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Hello everybody, it's me, Granny Gems. Today, you'll learn advanced techniques used by professional world builders, including complex environment design, lighting systems and atmosphere effects, custom integrations and triggers, collectibles, portals, and gameplay logic, optimization for performance, navigation meshes, and pathfinding, sound effects and animation integration, testing, polishing, and publishing high-quality worlds. By the end of this module, you will be able to build interactive, immersive environments that feel polished, smooth, and professional. Once you understand floors, walls, and props, the next step is environment storytelling, using layout, depth, color, and composition to create visually engaging spaces. Professional worlds use depth and structure, foreground elements, midground structures, background scenery. This makes your world feel rich and immersive. Instead of placing one giant 3D model, break structures into pieces: floors, walls, roofs, windows, doors. This improves performance and makes editing easier. You can add hills, valleys, cliffs, or unique shapes. Use Unity's terrain tools. Add multiple textures. Paint paths, sand, grass, and dirt. A well-designed terrain adds realism and guides player movement. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools for mood and realism. Directional lights control your sunlight. Adjust intensity, color, and shadow quality. Spotlights and point lights, use them for lamps, neon signs, stage lighting, and interior rooms. Reflection probes, these help reflective surfaces look more realistic. Skyboxes and atmosphere, import custom skyboxes for sunset, night, neon futuristic, fantasy themes. Post-processing, use Unity's HDRP URP effects, bloom, color grading, ambient occlusions, and depth of field. This gives your world a polished cinematic look. Advanced worlds use player interactions to keep users engaged. Triggers and colliders use invisible trigger boxes to activate events like teleporting, opening doors, playing sound, starting animations. Portals create multi-location maps. Enter the house, go upstairs, teleport to the park. Collectible systems lets players pick up objects in your world. Gems, keys, coins, tokens. You can add counters, sound effects, or completion rewards. NPCs and animations you can add. Static characters, idle animations, path-following NPCs, interactive characters. This creates life and activity. High-quality worlds must run smoothly on all devices. Reduce poly count. Large detailed meshes cause lag. Simplify objects when possible. Combine meshes. Merging small props reduce draw calls. Texture optimization. Use compressed textures. Avoid 4K textures unless absolutely necessary. Limit particle effects. Smoke, sparkles, fog, fire, or snow can slow down gameplay. Baked lighting reduces performance cost versus real-time lights. Remove hidden objects. Delete props players can't see. They still impact performance. Use occlusion culling, hide objects when the player can't see them. It saves performance. If your world contains NPCs or restricted movement areas, you'll need navigation meshes. Baking a nav mesh, this allows NPCs to move logically around obstacles. Defining walkable areas. Mark floors as walkable and obstacles as non-walkable. Custom movement zones. Prevent players from entering restricted areas or glitch zones. Invisible walls. Use colliders to keep players in bounds. Sound. Transform the feel of the world. Add background music, environmental sound, footsteps, water noise, birds, city ambiance. Use audio zones. Different areas of the world can play different sounds. Forest sounds in one area, city sounds in another. Spectral audio sounds fade as players move away for a realistic experience. These final touches take your worlds from good to amazing. Cinematic camera angles set custom camera views for intros or cutscenes. Custom particles, soft sparkles, magic lights, subtle fog, when used sparingly, create atmosphere. Animation controllers. Play animations when players interact with objects. Color palettes. Use consistent color schemes to match the theme of the world. Before publishing, test for glitches, lag, invisible holes, spawn issues, lighting inconsistencies, incorrect collisions, portal failures, and NPC path errors. Once published, publish your world. Upload your world package through the SDK. Add a title, optimized for search, a strong description with keywords, clear screenshots showing gameplay points. A polished world increases player engagement and approval speed. You've now learned advanced world building techniques for ZEPETO Studio, including lighting design, interactions, optimization, terrain sculpting, navigation systems, and advanced environment polishing. These skills give you the ability to create professional, interactive ZEPETO worlds that stand out on the platform. If you're a Metaverse Millionaire member, stay tuned for a live demonstration and a step-by-step walkthrough. In the next module, we'll move deeper into designing custom gameplay experiences using scripts, triggers, and world logic.